Hi everyone, Mr. Yard here with another geometry lesson. As you can see, we're in a little different location today because Nawel has our usual spot full of trains this morning. So welcome, so glad to have you with me today. We're going to talk about perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is the distance or the length of the outside of a shape. Okay, so we can talk about the lengths of the different sides of the shape. The perimeter is the total distance all around the perimeter. If this is a building, for example, and I walk all the way around, I've walked around the perimeter of the building. Okay, so let's have a look and see if we can calculate what the perimeter of this object is. I'm going to use my little paper ruler today that's got some units marked on it. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out, first of all, the lengths of the sides, and then we'll see if we can calculate the perimeter. Okay, so I'm going to start with this side, and I can see on my ruler I've got 1, 2, 3 sections. So I'm going to put a little 3 there, so I know there are 3 there. I'll measure the next side. I have, this side is also 3. And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4 down there. Okay, wonderful. So I know that this side is 3 units, this side is 3 units, this side is 4 units. To calculate the total length, I'm going to add all of those sides together. So I've got 3 plus 3 plus 4. Why don't you tell me what the answer is? Take a couple seconds. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 4 gives us 10, right? 3 plus 3 is 6. Add 4 gives us 10. So the perimeter of this polygon, it's a closed shape with straight sides. It's a triangle, in fact. The perimeter is 10. Okay, let's try another one together. We'll use a different shape. I've got a quadrilateral here that we'll work with next. Here's our quadrilateral, a little bit bigger than our triangle. Okay, let's measure the sides first. So I'll start with the top. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This side I have 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 again here. And I've got 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, take a few seconds, please, by yourself. Please tell me what the perimeter of this quadrilateral is. I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay, so to find your perimeter, you've added all the sides, right? I know I've got 3, and I've got a 4, and I've got another 3, and I've got another 4. I add those all together. My total would be, I've got 7 here, 7 here. 7 plus 7 is 14. So my perimeter of this quadrilateral is 14 units. That's the total of all the lengths. If I walk around there, I have to walk 14 units. Okay? Okay, the last example I'm going to show you guys is with a different kind of polygon. The first 3 polygons I showed you, I don't know if you noticed, but they were all irregular polygons because they had different lengths for their sides, right? They didn't have sides that were the same length. With this example, with this polygon, I'm going to tell you right away, this is a regular polygon, okay? So let's see how that might help us find the perimeter. So I'm going to measure one side, and I can see that it's 3. So I've told you that this quadrilateral, this polygon, is a regular polygon, meaning that all of the sides are the same length. Okay? What is the perimeter of this polygon without measuring the other sides? I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds to see if you can find that answer by yourselves. Okay, let's work through this. So I've told you this is a regular polygon, right? So that means that all the sides are the same length. If I've measured one side, that tells me right away that every side of this square is 3 units long. Okay? Now to find the perimeter, all I need to do is add those sides, right? I'm going to ask you guys something else here. Instead of adding, what else could I do? Instead of repeating that addition, right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, what else could I do? I can also use multiplication in this case, right? Instead of adding again and again and again, if I have the same number, I can do 3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. If I multiply that 3 by 4, it will give me my perimeter, which is 12. The perimeter of this regular polygon is 12 units. Okay? Make sure you watch the video again to review what a perimeter is and how to calculate it. Okay? Calculating irregular and regular polygons, right? Remembering that the perimeter is the total length of all the sides. Okay? Good luck in the quiz, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye guys, stay safe.